Yung composure ko po sa harap ng manager ko nawala talaga. Nagwala po talaga. Hindi po totoo.
Sawa ka na ba na pinag-uusapan ng Coldplay when you're on interviews? Are you sick and tired of that?
Honestly, hindi po. Every time na it gets brought up, parang nare-refresh siya akin.
Oh, yeah, that time. Yeah. Actually, I was in that concert.
Ooh.
Naniwala ko nag eye to eye tayo. Nakita mo ako sa lower
Malapit
box. Hindi, malayo. Hindi ko po afford ang mosh pit. Hindi ko afford nun. But naniniwala ako nakita mo na ganito kaliit from your
Naniniwala rin po
diba?
ako.
Parang I felt it I felt that moment like, oh my, Jika saw me. Guys, she was looking right at me.
Jika, anong color ng damit?
Yes, tama ka. Tama ka. You're right. But that was so surreal. I can imagine. Again, hindi pa ako artist, but I can imagine that was so surreal. Like, how was it? How did it happen to begin? I'm sorry to ask a lot of questions. Arthur, tabi ka muna ha. Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Sige, game.
Pag nag-release po kasi ako ng kanta, lagi ako nagla-live sa TikTok. Tapos, one time, nag-release ako ng kanta called Balang Araw. So, when I ended the live, I immediately got a call from my manager. Tapos sabi niya, hey, by the way, you're gonna be opening for Coldplay. I'm like, what? What? Eh, syempre,
Siyang galing yun?
yung composure ko po sa harap ng manager ko nawala talaga. Nagwala po talaga. Hindi po totoo. Hindi pa ako naniniwala.
How long before it sank in? Grabe.
I think, hanggang ngayon po hindi po siya nagsising in. Kasi believe it or not, throughout the entire experience, para akong naka-autopilot nung time na yun.
Okay, I get it.
Kasi, okay na rin yun kasi feeling ko kung naka-manual mode ako na nag-overthink lang ako lang nag-overthink. Pero sobrang saya, sobrang grateful ako hanggang ngayon po. Lalo sa mga fans ng Coldplay na hindi naman ako kilala but they were so welcoming, they were so warm. So, thank you so much.
I think the fact that, a Filipino, obviously naman that's bound to happen, but, seeing a Filipino artist open for the band that they were gonna watch,
Yes
parang ganun,
po.
like, sobrang
Opo.
big deal talaga nun. And again, we're very, very proud of you. Congrats.
Thank you so much po.
Easy Rock.
Hey, thanks for watching. For more exclusive videos and artist interviews,
You can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.